Your home is an extension of your style and interests. That's why when you purchase a newly built home, you want the opportunity to personalize it to your tastes. When you visit our design studio, you get to meet with one of our design consultants. This is your chance to personalize your living space by choosing from various fixtures and finishes. This takes time and your full attention, so please plan to be distraction-free for a few hours. You will also need to make childcare arrangements in advance if necessary. Prior to meeting your designer, you'll receive materials to help you understand what options you'll have the opportunity to select during the appointment. We encourage you to review the preparation materials we provide, browse online sites like Houzz or Pinterest, and visit our model homes for home design inspiration. Bring your ideas you have with you so that we can learn your personal style and offer suggestions to focus the design consultation experience around your home vision. We start each appointment by walking you through the features that are included in your new home, along with which features can be upgraded. Then comes the fun part. Together, we'll cover all the interior areas of your home, room by room, looking at the available option selections from cabinets, countertops and hardware, to flooring, tile, and lighting. Because we use industry leaders like Whirlpool, Moen, Lennox, and Sherwin-Williams, you can be assured of the product quality. At the end of your appointment, our design consultant will help pull your vision together into one perfectly coordinated style. Then, they'll finalize all your choices and review each item with you one last time. Pricing for the options and upgrades you select will vary according to your selections and the size of your home. After your design appointment, a change order to your home purchase agreement will be prepared to incorporate your design selections. The total purchase price for your home will be updated accordingly. Once finalized, we'll order the design choices you select, which means you will no longer be able to make changes to your option selections. Talk to your sales consultant if you have further questions. We look forward to helping you purchase a home perfectly designed for you.